Welcome to Carousel WP. Today I am going to show you how to make a beautiful Marquee slider using Cadence Blocks Pro. I am using Cadence Blocks Pro and Cadence Pro for Cadence along with Cadence theme. You don't need Cadence Pro, but you at least need Cadence Blocks Pro for this beautiful effect. No extra coding required, just block using blocks you can make it. Okay, let's go to the page. First, I will remove it here. Now I will start from the scratch. Let's start with row layout. I will select single row layout. Then I will check mark the content max width. Also, I will give a top and bottom padding of 80 pixel. Okay. Now I will add advanced slider. Here I have to select the slider and change the slider type to carousel. I will keep the autoplay on, but I have to disable enable dragging cross slides. Also, I have to enable show overflow. I prefer to keep it 3 columns. Then go to the advanced settings. I will keep the all padding to 0. Here is the minimum height. I will give it a 450 pixel. Disable the arrow style and disable the dot style. Now I go to the slide option and I will add a image from here. For image I will use it fixed ratio. So here is the fixed ratio. I will use 3/4. Also I have to change the background color. Go to slide and go to background color and I will make it transparent. Now remove the second slide. I will duplicate the first slide 7 times. Okay, now I will replace the images. There is one image missing. I will use my own image for this one. And the last one is here. I already downloaded all the image. If you don't download or done anything, you can download it from any free image downloader. Okay, let's select the final part. Okay, now I will go to the advanced slider settings and go to the general settings. Here I will set the autoplay to 0. Also I will set the transition to 5000. You can set the transition to 4000, 6000 based on how much speed do you need. For me I prefer 5000. It works smoothly. Here is the column gap. You can give it here. Okay, let's save it and go to the front end. Here you can see there is a smooth transition. Marquee smooth transition. It's without doing any coding you can get this smooth marquee effect using Cadence blocks pro. Okay, I can also make it using Cadence blocks free version, but I need to input some custom css only. I will make a video later for on it.